Morning everybody. Well, I didn't film this. We've arrived. What do they call this site? I've forgotten again. Forgotten everything. Just hang on a minute. Garnham's Field. We're at Garnham's Field. It's a CL, is this? 10 quid a night, no electric. It's a CL. It's near Needham Market. And it's just a massive grassy area, but it can only have 5 vans on it. I'll show you. Silly thing. Yeah. This is the place. It's a really large expanse of grass. I don't know if you can see behind that caravan. There's a camper. Then apparently that guy lives in it, in his camper, and there's also a chap there who lives in his. So it's a really large expanse of ground. The Elson's somewhere over there, and the tap is somewhere near them trees. I haven't found them yet. And the ground is rock hard, so we won't get stuck on here. It has actually had a rain this morning. Yeah, so this is where we are, and we may well stay another night, I think. Yeah, so, well, yesterday when we left that place, that little village, that lovely pretty village where we went in the pub, when we drove away from there, my engine warning light came on. It's only a yellow. It's only a yellow light. I've had a look in the engine bay and checked the oil and everything. Everything is all right. I can't see it. But what we're going to have to do is, because I came here and I didn't book. I rang the chap. His phone number was on the gate, and he gave me the code for the lock. I let myself in, and I've seen him this morning and paid him. It's only £10 a night. Yeah, and I said, if we need to stay another night, have you got space this week? He says, yeah. So we could be back here tonight. Because what we're going to do is, down the road is a Tesco petrol station. I need some fuel anyway. So I'm going to go there and get some juice. And then he told us to go to Robinson's garage in Needham Market. He said that's the best place to go. And let him have a look, plug a thing in. I was thinking of buying one of them code readers. They're only about 20 quid, I think. So in case all happens again. So I might drive into Ipswich. There's a parts shop there that I think would sell them. Yeah, and then there's also a co-op in Needham Market, and we're short of food, so we need to call in there and get some food as well. And maybe have a look round Needham Market. I walked in there last night, had a look round. Oh, there was a curry house open. Oh, and it smelled delicious. Yeah, so that's what we're planning to do today. So I'll film whatever that happens today. What you see? Okay, folks. So we'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.
Pat's washing up. Well, we're here at Euro Park over there. Sorry folks, the Euro parts there. I don't know whether it's not not a shop. Whether we can go there, we'll see. What is she doing?
Well,
What are you inspecting now?
well, there's a crack in the lid
There is a crack in the lid.
that I had to manoeuvre to get it shut. And there's a crack there. I just wondered how it was fastened on.
Falling to bits, mate. Van's falling to pieces. We've come to Woodbridge. Looks like a nice place, but we can't find anywhere to park. We've had to come out, we can't stay. We've come to just outside Woodbridge, found this pub with a big car park. So we're coming here to have a drink. I'm gagging. We've got us code reader. We've been and got us shopping at Asda on edge of Ipswich, and we've come here.
It's 2:05. They'll stop for serving food at 2.
What does it say there on that board? It says Monday to Thursday 12 till 5. So we're going to eat here as well. It's the Duke of York. Kirsty and the team welcome you to the Duke of York. Muddy boots and paws, welcome.
Yeah, I just need the cards wide, unless you want to in the restaurant, I can find you a table. Yeah, we'll sit in the bar here. Pardon? What's the wine? Oh, someone happy with that.
By the way, I need an haircut and all. By the way, the warning light has gone off on the van. It's not on. We drove all the way here and it's not on. Anyway, I've got the reader, so if it happens again, I'll plug it in and see what it is. But we've also, I've just been on search for sites, and there's a car park near where we've been already, which is supposed to have motorhome bays. So we're going to go back and check it out. All right. And we've ordered lunch.
Fish cake.
We're living beyond our means here.
We're sharing a drink.
Yeah, actually.
Has it gone up?
Hiya.
Who's having a fish finger sandwich?
Yeah. Oh, it's them there. The fish cakes, sorry. Fish finger sandwich, I didn't say that.
No.
Must be on main menu. Don't even know what I've ordered, do I? I haven't ordered fish finger sandwich.
Fish cake.
We've got one bottle of cider to share between two of us. So we are economising.